nylon makes ersatz silk stockings available to the women of all economic classes. Ersatz.
Ersatz. E-R-S-A-T-Z.
Kibei. Sui's mother is a Kibei who remained in Tokyo after attending university there. Kibei. Japanese. A son or daughter of Japanese immigrant parents who was born in North or South America and especially in the United States and educated largely in Japan. Kibei.
K-I-B-E-I.
Dichotomy. Ancient philosophers frequently wrote of the dichotomy between reason and passion. Dichotomy.
Dichotomy. D-I-C-H-O-T-O-M-Y. Dichotomy.
Peccadillo. The mayor regarded his misuse of campaign money as a common peccadillo.
Peccadillo. P-E-C-C-A-D-I-L-O-L. Peccadillo.
Soliloquy. At the talent contest, Angela stepped into the spotlight and recited Hamlet's famous soliloquy that begins, "Oh, what a rogue and peasant slave am I."
Soliloquy. S-O-L-I-L-O-Q-U-Y. Soliloquy.
Dachshund. Chloe has a brown dachshund named Oscar. Dachshund.
D-A-C-H-S-H-U-N-D.
Philippic. The candidate ended his campaign with a bitter philippic against his opponent. Philippic.
Philippic. P-H-I-L-I-P-P-I-C. Philippic.
Core. The winds along the core were quite strong.
I have the language of origin.
Arabic.
A-H-O-R.
Rutabaga. A rutabaga browses on leaves, shoots, seeds, fruit, buds, and bark. Rutabaga.
Not the language of origin.
Dutch from an African word.
R-O-O-D-E-B-O-K. Rutabaga.
Mukhtar. The voters in the town elect a new Mukhtar every 2 years. Mukhtar.
Mukhtar. M-U-K-H-T-A-R.
Kohlrabi. The flesh of the kohlrabi resembles that of the turnip, but is sweeter and milder.
Kohlrabi. K-O-H-L-R-A-B-I. Kohlrabi.
Koppel. A koppel of horses pulls a loaded wagon up the mountain road. Koppel.
Koppel. C-O-F-F-L-E.
Tana. According to Buddhist teaching, Tana results from the belief that if one's desires are fulfilled, the fulfillment will, of itself, lead to one's lasting happiness or well-being. Tana.
Tana. T-A-N-H-A. Tana.
Gesundheit. I don't think I said that. I have to do that. Cacophony. Fox encounter with the mail carrier was accompanied by a burst of cacophony.
I have the language of origin.
Read.
That's the definition.
Harsh or discordant sound. Cacophony.
C-A-C-O
Kielbasa. Adria ordered a half-pound potato salad and a kielbasa from the deli.
Kielbasa. Kielbasa.
Ingenue. Stephanie was one of the 3 students who received a callback audition for the role of the ingenue in the school's spring musical. Ingenue.
Ingenue. Ingenue.
Garçon. Julia asked the garçon to bring another napkin after she spilled her consommé. Garçon.
Garçon. Garcon.
Ipecac. Many families with small children keep syrup of ipecac to use in case certain poisonous